Okay, hello viewers. This is Alan Keys and I want to do a song that was done on B flat, but somebody requested it on F sharp. So I'll do it on F sharp, then later I'll do it on B flat to see also that key. The song Lift His Name Higher, Lift His Name Higher, Lift His Name Higher, Lift His Name Higher. But I'm going to do it on F sharp. Lift His name higher, lift His name higher, lift His name higher, lift His name. Yeah, so on F sharp here. So the song starts from 1 lift. Let me first play, then I'll explain even the progression and the notes and the scale actually. Lift His name. Don't mind how I'm singing because I don't sing actually. I don't even know how to sing. Lift His name. Sorry. Lift His name high. Lift His name high. Lift His name high. Lift His name Lift His name high. Lift His name. So that song actually is, it doesn't have a lot of chords unless you just decide to, but the progression is very simple. The progression is just 1. Lift His name higher. Lift His name 4. 5. 1. 4. So that is basically the progression of the song. 1, 4, 1, 4, 5, then 1. So we are on the key of F sharp. This is F sharp. So 1 is F sharp, 2 G sharp, 3 B flat, 4 B, 5 C sharp, 6 D sharp, 7 F. So for the chords is 1. This side is F sharp, C sharp, F sharp, B flat. Then our 4. This is B, D sharp and F sharp. This side is B. Then our 5. C sharp, F and G sharp. Then we go back to 1. Okay, so lift is, but there's some things we can add. Lift His name. You can do. So this is lift His name 1. Then you play 5, 6, flat 7 as you play to this other side. You can play after. To this side play this, then this side you play 3, 5 and 1. Then you go to 4. 4 you can play it like this. 4, 5, 6 and 1. Then you can play your 5. This is 5, 7 and 2. This side you play 5, 7 and 2. Then again 1. Then when the song starts, lift his name high. You see this one? This is 5, this side you play 4. Lift his name high. Then you can do lift his name this way. This is a 4, flat 7, 1, 2 and 4. This side you play 5. Or you just play the flat 7 as a major chord. Then you go to, this is 3 minor, play with 1. You can do. Or you just go to 4. Then you can do 6, lift his name, 5. After 6, or normal 6, 6 is 1, 5 and 6. No, 1, 3 and 6. This side is 6, 5. That is basically the lesson of that. So like I told you on B flat, but let me first do it on that. Let me not explain. So let me play it slowly so that you can see what I add. Lift his name high. Lift his name higher. Lift his name. So again like that. So God bless you, bye and thank you.